Introduction. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Financial Mo. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic that affects many of us: debt management techniques, getting out of debt and staying financially healthy. If you find yourself struggling with debt, you're not alone. But fear not, because we're going to explore practical strategies that anyone can apply to achieve financial freedom. So, let's get started. Section 1. Understanding your debt. Types of debt: mortgage, credit card, student loans. Let's say you have a mortgage, credit card debt, and student loans. Categorize these debts to understand their individual impact on your financial health. For instance, your credit card debt might have higher interest rates, making it a priority for repayment. Section 2. Creating a budget. Imagine you're using a budgeting app. By tracking your income and expenses, you notice that you spend a significant amount on non-essential items. Creating a budget allows you to identify these areas and redirect funds towards paying off your credit card debt faster. Section 3. Snowball versus Avalanche method. Let's consider an example. The snowball method involves paying off a $500 credit card debt first, gaining momentum. The Avalanche method might mean tackling a $1,000 high-interest loan first, saving you more on interest payments in the long run. Choose the method that aligns with your financial goals. Section 4. Negotiating with creditors. Suppose you've lost your job temporarily. Contact your creditors and explain the situation. They may allow you to temporarily lower your monthly payments or even freeze the interest until you're back on your feet. Section 5. Increasing your income. Let's say you have a passion for graphic design. Consider freelancing on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. The additional income generated can be directly allocated to your debt repayment, accelerating the process. Section 6. Emergency fund importance. Imagine your car breaks down suddenly. If you have an emergency fund, you can cover the repair costs without resorting to credit cards. Start small. Set aside $50 each month until you've built a comfortable emergency fund. Section 7. Avoiding debt traps. Let's say you're tempted by a payday loan offering quick cash. Instead, explore other options like borrowing from friends or family. Payday loans often come with exorbitant interest rates, trapping you in a cycle of debt. Section 8. Credit score maintenance. Consider this scenario. You miss a credit card payment, and it negatively impacts your credit score. Regularly check your credit report for errors, pay bills on time, and use credit responsibly, like keeping your credit card utilization below 30% to maintain a healthy credit score. Conclusion. In conclusion, getting out of debt and staying financially healthy requires commitment, strategy, and discipline. Remember, it's a journey, not a sprint. By understanding your debt, budgeting wisely, and making informed financial decisions, you can achieve the financial freedom you deserve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.